A member of the House of Representatives, Iduma Igariwe, has called for the cancellation of the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME), citing what he described as a catastrophic institutional failure that has compromised the integrity and fairness of the process. Speaking during an interview on Channels Television's Politics Today, held on Tuesday, Igariwe, who also leads the Southeast Caucus in the House, said the recent admission of error in the conduct of the 2025 UTME by the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board (JAMB) was not enough to justify continuing with the entrance test. According to him, the integrity of the entire examination process has been compromised. The whole thing has lost its integrity. It has lost its fairness. People who took the time and prepared for exams were no longer in a position to take those exams, he said, reacting to JAMB's claim that a technical glitch and human error caused the issues. Igariwe stressed that the decision to reschedule the exams within 48 hours was unreasonable and poorly thought out. He noted that reports from across Southeast indicate that many candidates could not access their designated centers due to the abrupt rescheduling and confusion over logistics.
If you recall, you see that we were very restrained in taking a decision. The caucus reacts to what Professor Ishak told Nigerians on the 14th of May. On the 14th of May, he admitted to this, what we have described as a catastrophic institutional failure, where nearly 400 students who took exams in April were asked to come and retake and receive those exams. It has never happened in the history of this country, and I'm sure it came as a shock to Nigerians. People have said it was, like Professor Ishak said, that it was a technical glitch. The chairman of the committee that oversights him said it was human error. Whatever caused what led to nearly 400 students to resit their exams is not the issue. The issue, as far as the Southeast Caucus is concerned, is what was the institutional response from JAMB? That was what concerned us. When he told Nigerians about what happened and was so emotional about it. Yes, mistakes can happen, but we waited to know what is JAMB going to do to remedy the situation. And what JAMB did was what prompted us to take a stand on the matter. JAMB came out 2 days after that same day or the next day.
However, at a press briefing on May 14, 2025, Oloyede admitted to errors during the exams and apologized, stating, "We are human, we are not perfect." He confirmed that 379,997 affected candidates will receive the exam beginning 16th of May, 2025, following complaints of low scores and technical failures at 157 out of 887 centers nationwide. Share your thoughts about this new development. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.